The following is Fall 2008 Math 115 Department Final version 3. In this video, I will do number 31, 32, and 33. Number 31, simplify the complex fraction. Here we have complex fraction and this is the long fraction here. Okay, I will do this by let me first simplify or factorize the one on the numerator there. If I factorize that, it will be x and x, because the sign here is plus and this is minus, then it must be both minus. What times what give me 25, but the sum is 10. That's 5 and 5. Okay, negative 12x, and then here I have x minus 5 over negative 6x. Now what I will do next is to multiply by the LCD of these complex fractions. Now you have negative 12x and negative 6x, the LCD will be negative 12x. Right? You have negative 12 and negative 6 give you negative 12, the LCD, and the x, you just copy that. Now what happened on the top, then you will get the negative 12x, cancel negative 12x, you have x minus 5 times x minus 5. Of course you can say x minus 5 squared if you want. On the denominator you see that, let me write it down, this cancel this, right? And then here when I cancel this I get 2. So I will end up with 2 times x minus 5, and from here you will see one of the factor x minus 5 will cancel. Okay, therefore you see the answer is D. That's for number 31. Number 32, solve this equation. The first thing we will do is to factorize the denominator. There will be x plus 9. That's difference of squares, right? X minus 9. Okay, now from here then I will multiply each term by the LCD, which is x plus 9, x minus 9, and that will give me on the first rational expression there, if I multiply by x plus 9, x minus 9, that will be x only. The second rational expression, if I multiply by this, you see that x minus 9 cancel, right? So I have x times x plus 9 left. Lastly, the one on the right hand side of equal sign, 1 over x plus 9 multiplied by that, you will see x plus 9 cancel, and I have x minus 9 left. Okay, now from here what I will do is I will distribute these and combine like terms, you know, those kind of procedure. 10x plus 81 equals to x minus 9. Basically what I will do here is to solve the equation, and that will be 10x minus x equals to negative 9 minus 81. That's 9x equals to negative 90. Okay, so then I get x equals to negative 90 over 9, which is negative 10. Okay, now I suspect that's the answer, right? Okay, but before I go on too far, let me check if this negative 10 does not make the denominator become 0. You see that we need to avoid x to be negative 9 and 9, right? In other words, if I get negative 9 or 9 here, I have to cancel it because it is not in the domain of the equation. No, but this is okay. Negative 10 is okay. So the answer for this number 32 is negative 10. Are you with me? Now let's move on to number 33. The ratio of graduate students to undergraduate in a certain university is 2 to 5. Let's write it down. The graduate to the undergraduate is 2 to 5. Now there are 2,730 graduate students. 2,730 graduate students. I replace that graduate with this number, and we are looking for the number of undergraduate students. Now you see that this is actually a form of proportion, right? Now how to solve a proportion? we do cross multiply. That will be 2730 times 5 equals to 2 times the number of undergraduate. Okay, now if I multiply that, let me do it here. 2730 times 5, 0, 15, 36, 3, 13. Okay, that will be 13,650 divided by equals to 2 times the number of undergraduate. Now 13,650 divided by 2, that will be the number of undergraduate students we have. Okay, now let me divide that by 2. It will be 6, 8. Do we have that? Yeah, we already have that. That's the one, right? But let me finish it. 5, that's for 2, 4 here, and then 10. That's 0. Okay, so that's the answer. The number of undergraduates will be 6,825. This is Fall 2008 Math 115 Department Final, version 3, number 31, 32, and 33.